Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, February 22nd, 2010. This morning I wanted to take an overview of something that a few people in engineering have been working on, Xtreams, which is a new streaming protocol that has been being worked on by a few people in engineering, Michael Lucas Smith and Martin Kobetic in particular. And if you go here to the public store and you start searching for Xtreams, you'll find this bundle, Xtreams Development. This is what you want to load into a 7.7 or Object Studio 8.2 image. And if you look at the comments in the package, which you'll see in a minute, I'm going to load this. What you'll find once you go into the browser is a lot of documentation about the API directly in here. So let's open up that. We'll go to Xtreams Core. You'll find that here in the comment there is a large explanation of what's going on and why this is being built. And then it has down here, if you go down far enough, you'll find some examples. So for instance, if you're using classic streams, you'd do something like this to read. You'd have a string, send read stream to it, and then get the next 5 characters. Whereas with Xtreams, it's the string reading to say reading, and then read 5 characters. Writing is kind of the exact opposite. String new, writing, write the string, and then close. And then terminal would get you what's there as opposed to contents up here for streams. So the API is a bit different, but there are reasons for that, which you can discover if you read through this documentation that's in here. The interesting thing that you might want to look at is this, and that's under the copyright notice. You notice that this is MIT licensed. And interestingly enough, if you go to the website, you'll find there's a Google code page for this. And if you want to contribute to this, regardless of what Smalltalk implementation you're using, or for that matter any language you're using, although obviously if you're using a different language you won't be able to contribute back straight to Smalltalk, here's where you can get the code. So you can get it in the public store repository. It has instructions here for access, and then you can just load it up and take a look at it. So that's really about all I wanted to cover today, is get a brief overview of Xtreams, what it is, where you can get it, and how it's licensed. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.